as we are talking about question tags. Question tags. Okay, how we make question tags? Questions. Are they real questions, Ahmad?
It's not real question.
Not real question. It's not like, what's your name? How are you? Where do you live, Yemen? Okay? So they are not real questions. Yemen, where do we use question tag?
In the end.
In the end or at the end of a sentence. Very nice. At the end, not the beginning of a sentence. Okay?
Okay.
For example, this is Ahmed, okay?
Yeah.
This is Ahmed. Listen, how we make question tag. This is Ahmed. I know he is Ahmed. You are Ahmed. I'm giving the answer. I'm answering. Aren't you?
Yes.
Yes. So I know he is Ahmed. This is the question. This is the tag. So here, positive sentence. No negation. The tag is negative. Negative. Isn't. Aren't. Don't. Okay?
Okay.
Maybe didn't. Can't. Couldn't. Mustn't. Negative sentence like this one. Aren't. So here are. Okay? Is. Here. Isn't. Okay?
Okay.
I have here some sentences on the board. I want you to come here on the board. Who would like to do the first one? Yes.
He is a good boy, isn't he?
Very nice, Ahmed. He is a good boy, isn't he? So here, we just delete the negation here and apostrophe, or we add it, okay? This is the question tags. Yes, no? Second one, please. So here, Ahmed Saleh, he and is. Yes. The work is on the subject and the verb. Helping verb, okay? So, Noor, read please.
Huda can speak English. Can't Huda.
Can't.
She.
She, very nice. Instead of Huda, we have to use a pronoun, ضمير, okay? Very nice. So, Huda, she. Ali,
She.
Ali,
He.
The boys,
They.
they. Very nice. Thank you, Noor. Okay. Yes. Zaid. Okay. Very nice. Read.
We aren't sad. Are you?
Are. This is we. Are we? We aren't sad. Are we? So this is question tag. Very nice. Walid. Yes. Yes. We have Ali and Will. Ali and Will. Very nice. Clap for Walid. Thank you. Thank you. Read.
I will go to the store. Wanted.
This is store. Ali will go to the store. Want he. Very nice. Sit down. So here. Well, want. The negation, okay? Very nice. Cannot say will, willing. No. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Hurry up. Yes. So we have here we and must.
We mustn't we?
Mustn't we? Very nice. We and must. Okay. Okay. Yes, Hamad, come here. Yes. We have, yes, the cat and isn't. Yes. What about the cat? What is the suitable pronoun here? Yes? What can we put instead of writing cat? It. Very nice. It. Yes, good boy. So,
The cat is a beautiful. Is it?
is it? Very nice. Thank you. And the last one here is for, yes, Yamin, come here. Here, you have to be careful. You have to be careful here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, do it. Yes, okay.
النوع يتحول لوين؟
I, this is the subject, yes. You have to work here, the subject and the verb. So, go. Who knows what is the tense here? What is the tense here? Is it present? Is it past? Continuous? Is it present continuous? Is it present simple? شو هذا؟
Simple.
Present simple. So we have go. So we have to here use the negation form. So what do you think? I doesn't. Don't. Very nice. So don't. I. So don't. I. Apostrophe, please. Apostrophe here. Very nice. Thank you, Ian. Stay. So here, Yamin. Okay. The present. Simple. Yes. A verb like go, like eat. Okay. With I, with you, maybe we. So we have to use don't. Okay.
Okay.
With the singular, he, she, it,
That's it.
goes, and eats. So here we have to use doesn't. Okay?
Okay.
Here she eats an apple and they eat pizza. So we have here present simple. Yes. Eats and eats. So we have to use the negation for. So she eats an apple. She doesn't eat an apple. She eats an apple. Doesn't she? And here they don't eat pizza. The negation for don't they. Here when we have the present simple tense in the sentence. Here we ate pasta. Here ate, we have past simple, the past form of eat. The negation form we use didn't, like this here, positive sentence, we have to use negation here, so negative tag. So what is the negation here? We have to use didn't. So didn't we. That's because here we don't have auxiliary verb like am, is, are, or modal verb, can, could, will, would. Okay. Now we have here two sentences, another two sentences here. We have the short form apostrophe s. So here we have to be careful when we want to make the question tag. We want to make the tag here. Why? Because here we have a short form of he apostrophe s. So he is or he has. It's up to the next word here. So here we have verb plus ing. So this is present continuous. And here we have the verb 3. So here this is has done, and this is doing. Here we have past perfect. Okay? So he is doing, so it's isn't he. And here he has done, so it's hasn't he. Yes, here the same thing, the short form, apostrophe D. So this is verb 1 or infinitive, and we have verb 3. So the apostrophe D here is would, and here it's had. Okay, so this one is wouldn't I, verb 1, and this one is hadn't I. Okay, the last one here, when we have the word never. Here, never, it's like the negation, it's like not. So, in this case, positive sentence, positive tag. Why? Because here, never, it's like negative sentence. So here, positive. We have here are. We have to use are, not aren't. Okay, why? Because we have here never. You are never late, are you not? Aren't you? Why? Because of never. Thank you very much.